Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you're interested in seeing how I got this fresh and glowy but very simple and easy makeup look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start out by priming my skin with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is a very glowy primer, which is obviously perfect for today's look. I'm then going to go in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone and apply that to my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and down the center of my nose. And then just going ahead and blending that in with my dampened beauty blender. Then I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting underneath my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the Peach Corrector shade. Then for foundation, I'm going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream in the shade Light and applying that with my beauty blender. I also have a ton of discoloration on my eyelids, so I'm just going to take it on there as well. For concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade apparently Donald Trump. It's showing up super orange on camera. And then I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use this stuff so sparingly. It's so thick. I don't know how beauty gurus go ham with it, but I do use this, and I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. Then I'm just going to set the areas that I know will crease or get oily with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And yes, I am using an eyeshadow brush to do this. I know it looks a little ridiculous, but with looks like this, I want to keep the powder to a minimum and keep this very fresh and glowy, so I like using a tiny brush. And then I'm going to do a little bit of cream contour with this NYX Universal Contour Stick, and blend that in with my trusty beauty blender. I promise cream contour gets so much less scary once you use a beauty blender instead of a brush. Since we use a cream contour, I'm going to kind of want to set it in place with a powder contour. I'm just using this light shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette. And of course, we have to help my poor Sicilian nose out a little bit. For blush, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte blush in the shade Captivating, which is such a gorgeous shade for the spring and summer. Then I'm going to top that off with the e.l.f. blush topper, I believe in the shade Glow, which is very fitting for this look. Then I'm going to use the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and pick up the shade Sunburst and highlight the high points of my face. I'm also going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Nude Eyeliner Pencil, and this is really going to brighten up and open the eye. For this look, I like to keep the lips pretty natch, so I'm going to be using my Rosebud Salve and then my Too Faced lip gloss in the shade Milkshake. And this is the look all completed. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And here's me being ridiculous and showing off the look. I hate this so much, but it's a thing, you know. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for being here. Have a beautiful day.